What's up, guys? This is Will and I'm back with another video, and today I got a rear carbon fiber screen protector that I'm going to put on my iPhone 8 Plus. I picked this up off of eBay. It was only like $4.50. Here's the link right here. It's a back rear carbon fiber screen protector film guard for your iPhone 8, 8 Plus, and X. $4.49. Free shipping. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to pick it up. So I decided to pick up one for the iPhone 8 because, you know, we have that glass back on them now. So it's not like you got that other material that they were made out of before. And don't want it to get scratched up. But here's the packaging that it comes in. Says 7 Plus on there, but it should work for that. The back of it just gives you some instructions on how to put it on. And I just kind of looked around. I didn't want to go with some of the other brands, name brands. So I looked at this and saw that it had some pretty good reviews. People that bought it and decided to pick it up. So they give you a microfiber cleaning cloth, and here is the rear facing screen protector here. Well, it's not really a screen protector, it's carbon fiber, but it's clear. So what I'm going to do, speed this up and put it on, and then we'll take a look at it after I'm done. So I finished getting it on there. Came out pretty good, as you can see around it here. Sticks pretty good to the sides of it. Probably could have got it a little bit better if I would have took my time a little bit more, but overall it looks pretty good. I think while I was taking it on and off, I got a few dust particles under there, but overall this looks good, and it's going to help protect the back of my phone. You can still see the Apple logo on there, and it looks pretty good. So got a few little spots here that I may be able to work out a little bit more, but overall for the price it's not bad, and it does add some grip to the phone, no doubt about that. But I'll leave that link in the description for this if you want to pick it up. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch y'all in the next video. By the way, guys, here it is. I have it inside of my case, my current case that I'm using for my iPhone 8 Plus. As you can see, this has a clear back on this case, and you can definitely see the carbon fiber look on the back of it. So that looks pretty dope right there, guys.